how it looks like right now. It's very dark. I'm going to clean this silver with diamond Tiffany necklace. This is my daughter's necklace. I've seen a YouTube video from one of my friends here. Follow her instructions and see how it goes, because Tiffany right now, it used to be just so easy to go in the store and they clean it for you fast, all your jewelries. I used to always do that, but after the pandemic you have to pay, and they don't do it anymore in South Coast Plaza. Temporarily they have to send it to New York and you have to pay a fee, at least $35, I think. So I'm gonna do it at home from my friend. I'm gonna link her channel down below and I'm gonna try her technique. I'm glad I found her video. I have a baking soda and a foil in a small little bowl. I will place the necklaces in here. I poured baking soda on it. I poured boiling water, and this will sit for about 2 minutes. And I will show you the result. It's been over 2 minutes because I forgot to set my timer. I think I left it for 4 minutes, but it should be ready in 2 minutes. So look at her. She's nice and shiny. Again. And this one too. Wow. Nice and clean. Although this one is a bit of a darker silver than this. Now here they are. It's very nice and shiny. It's sparkling clean again. Wow, that was nice and easy. So that is it. I hope you learned something from this quick video. Thanks for watching.